What Where. This is Elle. When we first meet her, she is at a film festival in Deauville, and we wanted, Joachim and I talked about, when we first see her, she has to have that movie star aura, and so I wore this like amazing kind of black dress that looked very Hollywood-esque. Over the course of the film, she starts to get, as more confused she gets about the character that she's playing for Gustave in his film, she starts to morph a little bit into, not that she knows it, but Nora, which is Renata's character, and she dyes her hair brown, and she starts wearing a lot of Nordic sweaters that she's probably picked up in some shops to try to get into the character and the role that she's trying to find. And so I do actually have one of the sweaters that she wears, Nordic sweaters from the film. Yes.